Double Turret Vertical Lathe. The dual-powered turret doubles the efficiency. Integrated turning, milling, drilling, and tapping reduces the number of processes. The dual-channel CNC system, with a centrally positioned spindle and high-speed spindle configuration, delivers high efficiency and precision. Machining accuracy reaches 0.01 millimeters. Turning and milling compound machining capable of completing external turning, cross-hole drilling, and slot milling in a single setup. The vertical structure ensures smooth chip evacuation and occupies less space. It has significant advantages in the automated production of high-volume parts. We are your partner for providing excellent returns on investment with special metalworking solutions.